In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply Kanban in Jira. A quick guide. Kanban is a fantastic methodology to manage workflows and streamline processes, particularly for teams looking to enhance productivity and visual tracking of tasks. By the end of this guide, you'll be confident in setting up a Kanban board in Jira that suits your team's needs perfectly. Let's begin by talking about existing Jira projects. Almost every Jira project you'll encounter will contain a board view by default. This is integral to visualizing your work. If you want to transition a standard board into the Kanban style, all you need to do is modify its status columns. Typically, a Kanban board will have statuses like To Do, In Progress, and Done. By adopting these statuses, you'll create a streamlined process that follows the Kanban principles. Now, if you want to start fresh and create a new Jira project with an existing Kanban template, this is a great way to ensure your project is set up from the get-go with all the features you need. Here's how you can do it. Look at the left sidebar in your Jira dashboard, where you'll see a section labeled Projects. Hover over this area and you'll notice a plus icon that appears. Clicking this plus icon is your gateway to creating a new project. Once you do, you'll be presented with several templates. Find and select the Kanban template. This template is tailored specifically to incorporate Kanban principles effectively. Next up, you'll need to enter a few details about your new project. This includes giving your project a name, deciding on its access level, and any other settings pertinent to your team's requirements. Take your time with this step to ensure everything is configured to your preference. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and confirmed your choices, your new project will be created. And voila! You'll now have a fully functioning Kanban board ready to use. With your new Kanban board, you're equipped to manage tasks dynamically, enhance team productivity, and maintain clarity on project statuses all in real time. And that's it. You now know how to either convert an existing Jira board into a Kanban format or create an entirely new project using a Kanban template. With these steps, managing your team's workflow within Jira becomes a seamless task, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, delivering excellent results. Thanks for watching.